Hey everyone, this is Arun, and today in this video, I'm discussing about the question solution. The Silver Star Bicycle Company will be manufacturing both men's and women's models for its easy pedal 10-speed bicycles during the next 2 months. Management wants to develop a production schedule indicating how many bicycles of each model should be produced in each month. So here in this question, they have provided a table for column model and production costs. Then we have labor requirements, manufacturing assembly, and current inventory. So here, this paragraph from here till here and this table provides us the constraints of the question. And we have two parts for this question. First one is establish a production schedule that minimizes production and inventory costs and satisfies the labor smoothing, demand, and inventory requirements. What inventories will be maintained and what are the monthly labor requirements? If the company changed the constraints so that monthly labor increases and decreases could not exceed 50 hours, what would happen to the production schedule? How much will the cost increase? What would you recommend? So I have used Excel, and here is the solution of this question. So this is the solution part A, and this one is our formulation. So I have used variable x11, which is amount of men's model in month 1, then x21, x1222, x2, s11, s21, s12, and s22. So here, these all are the variables. And as per question, our goal is to minimization approach. So I've provided here the minimization, which are subject to constraints. So these all are the constraints that are being providing here that I have previously used. So these all are our constraints. Then this is our solver setup. Here, this one is our constraints, and this is other decision variables. And this sheet uses Excel formulas as well. So these all are constants x11, 21, 12, 22 till here. And here goal is to minimize the profit. Then there B49 is our objective, which is total profit. And total cost is 67,156. And optimal solution values here, they all are the optimal solution values. And this sheet is get from Excel solver. So it's produced using Excel solver automatically. This one is our answer report 1. And this sheet is the sensitivity report. And this one is discussed already. Then this sheet is again solver setup. And the solution is being provided using solver. And the final answer is 67175.10. This is our final cost, and these all are our optimal solution values. So this is the solution for this question. I hope you like this video, and if you need this Excel file, the whole solver setup and the solution, you can just reach me out over my email address and my WhatsApp number, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So you can check my number in the description and my email address. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. Do subscribe me and for future videos. And thank you and have a great day. Take care. Bye.